Welcome to Freelance and Business. My name is Cheptioany Mutai. If you own Camtasia Studio 2020 or later, then you might have tried and used the many pre-made motion graphics templates that comes with the software. If you haven't tried them out, it's now high time to do so. You can find the templates by clicking on the library on your Camtasia Studio editor. In this video tutorial, I'll share 3 ways that you can customize Camtasia Studio motion graphics templates. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com. So the first of the 3 ways to customize your Camtasia Studio templates is basic customization. For this video, I'll be customizing one of the intros here. The first step in doing basic customization is first by moving the template to the timeline. Just click, hold, and drag it to the timeline and place it on the track. You can place it on any track here, but for this case, I'll place it on track number 2. Press the space on your keyboard or the play button here on the preview window to see how the templates look like for basic customization, which is changing the color of this template or making changes on the text that appears on this template. Click on the plus button here. As you can see, when I click on the plus button, this template opens up. It's been created and grouped together, so you can see inside this template as well that there is another group of titles that have been placed together. So the first thing I'll show you how to customize is the color, and the color templates in this case is under the second grouping under this template. So I'll click on the plus button, then these are the color backgrounds that you see here that appears in different times and different motions. So to make changes on this color, I'll just click on the title that I want to change the color, then come here, then select the color that you want. And as you can see on the screen, the display screen, the color has changed. If I want to make changes on the other colors, I'll just do the same. Click, select, pick another title, click, select. So I can repeat the same process depending on how I want this screen to appear. That is how you can change the color. Another thing that you can customize here is the outline that comes with this title, and I can customize the color to probably white, and as you can see here, the second other thing that you can customize in this basic customization is the text that appears on the screen. So you just look for the title under this template, then click on it, and as you can see on the display screen, it appears. Then I double click it, then I can make changes and say, and probably to my liking. So I'll type my name there for this demonstration, and as you can see, the changes has taken place. Other things that you can make changes on is the font name, the font color under the properties tab here. So just pick the item that you want to make changes on, then click on it to make the changes as you desire. So for instance, let's say I'm changing this font. I have to select it under the display window here, then pick the the font that I want. On the other hand, I can change the color as well to suit probably the background that I've selected up there. So those are the things that you can make under the basic customization. Maybe one more thing that you can probably do here under basic customization is just maybe you can decide you don't want this background. You can pick this and just delete it. This works well when you are placing this template under another video on the timeline. If this tutorial was helpful to you, let me know in the comments below here. Until next time, take care. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptionyi. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com.